Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Ferris ISX2200. This one comes with a 61-inch cutting deck. We're going to do a quick once-over on the Ferris ISX2200. This one does come also with the Ferris independent suspension system, which is going to give you a nice smooth ride. Coming around, we also have the air ride chair that you can adjust for firmness and softness, as well as your seat adjustment here. This model has the 61-inch cutting deck with 10-gauge seal. It does have greasable cast iron spindles. This model does have a dual fuel tank, so you have 5.5 gallons in your left, 5.5 gallons in your right, for a total of 11 gallons. Also does come with a cup holder as well. Has the rollover protection system here. This model has the Kawasaki engine. It's going to be 26 horsepower. This model does also have an EFI system with Hydro Gear 4400. Here we have your second fuel tank. We have your PTO, throttle. Each fuel tank does have a fuel gauge with it as well. Have the rubber chute. Your cutting height adjustment. Your cutting height is 1.5 to 5 inches. Have your foot pedal adjustment there as well. And that, once again, is the Ferris ISX2200 with a 61-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers that we have on our YouTube channel, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers here in stock, but we also have trailers or handhelds that we can make into a great